one thing that your eye can see without any cost, that is dreams. Dreams has no limit. Whether you are a poor or a rich, small or a big, fat or a thin, you can see dreams and achieve them. No one can stop you to see dreams. If you are seeing dreams, it means you are living and alive. Dreams are very powerful weapon we have. If your eyes are not seeing dreams, it means you are not justice to your life. Eyes without dreams is just like plants without water. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ankit Sharma, working as design engineer in Winsome Express and an affiliate marketer. Your life depends on two things. First is dreams, and second is the action which you take to achieve your dreams, complete your dreams. Dreams are really important for your survival because dreams give you the vision for the future, that what you will do in your life ahead. So today's topic is, if you can dream it, you can do it. Yes, if you can dream it, you can do it. Guys, if you are not watching dreams, it means your life is useless. To being a life meaningful, you have to see dreams and try to achieve them. So the first part of this thought quote, that is, if you can dream it, it means whatever thoughts in your mind arrives regarding the future dreams, future motivation, future journey, is that the things what is we call dream. And the second part, you can make it. It means whatever your thoughts in your mind, you need to make them reality. You need to make them real. So the quote means, the beautiful dreams, whatever you sow, if you sow, you can complete it as well. So how can you achieve your dreams? So here I am giving you 5 tips. So how can you achieve your dreams? First is articulate your dream. The first and foremost step regarding achieving any dream in your life, that is to articulate. That is to know whether the dream is achievable or not. The second one, be ready to do hard work. Yes, you see dream, but it's the time to do hard work to achieve that dream. The dreams and the vision is the inspiration, but you need to do hard work to achieve them. The perception will make that dream realize that whether that dream is accountable or not, that dream is feasible or not in reality. So be ready to do hard work to achieve your dream. The third point is, stay positive when you are passing through failures. When you try to achieve your dreams, there are many times when you saw failures. So never ever demotivate with the failures that you are faced, because failures always taught you that never do that mistake again, because failures are the best teacher we have. Failure can taught us many things. Failure will teach you that what to do and what not to do while you are doing that thing next time. If you are committing mistakes, it's okay, but never demotivate that by that mistake, because if you are mistaking, it means you are learning. So always be positive when you are passing through failures. Fourth is, always have a positive group, increasing group. That is, you must have a core group of people which always motivates you, which always encourages you, so that whenever you demotivated by the failures, those people can motivate you, those people can encourage you. That's why that support system is very necessary. You need a valuable support system, you need a very strong support system while in the journey of your dream achieving. So always have a strong support system. The last one is enjoy the success. The journey is as important as the goal. So enjoy the journey as well. Enjoy the little success that you achieve in regarding the journey of your dream achieving. If you are enjoying the success, it means you are living your life. So you always wonder to achieve those things, achieve those small tasks and enjoy those tasks, because once you start enjoying yourself, enjoy your small success, one day the success will find the way to come to you if you are doing that effort right. You have to be patient with yourself. Success will come to you. It's just that you need to be patient and be consistent and do the efforts right, and just right. Dreams are the most beautiful thing that we have, because dreams pushes us, motivates us, encourages us to achieve more and more in our life. It gives us a reason to live. It gives us a passion to live. It gives us a reason that why we are living in our life. So always think that you need to dream and then try to achieve that, because if you seeing a dream, then you can make it happen once a day. So always dreams. Thank you.